Very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our value education class. And in the last class, you remember we studied the little apple. That is chapter number 2. In the last class, we had completed the explanation of the story and we have also learned the values. Now, today we will do the reading practice of the chapter. Okay? So, come on quickly, bring your value education textbook and with a pencil, let's go. So, this is your chapter number 2, the little apple. And let us start with the reading practice. Characters, who are the characters? There is a narrator, little apple and a big apple. So, 3 characters are there. Narrator is the one who is telling the story and there is a conversation between the big apple and the little apple. Let's start. Narrator. Once there was a little apple that clung tightly to the branch. Big apple. Why are you holding the tree branch so tightly? Little apple. I am scared. I don't want to fall to the ground. It is hard and dusty on the ground. Big apple. But good things come from the ground. Little apple. What good things? Look below. The ground is filled with worms and bugs. I can also see so many rotten apples lying on the ground. So you see, this is the conversation between the big apple and the little apple. The little apple has hold it tightly, the branches, so that अगर वो गिर जाएगा तो वो dirty हो जाएगा. This is what it feels. And the big apple is trying to explain, it is okay, don't hold so tightly. Big apple. I know you are worried, little apple, but if you fall from the tree, good things will still happen to be with you. Be patient. Once again, I know you are worried, little apple, but if you fall from the tree, good things will still happen to you. Be patient. Now, what did the little apple reply? Oh, I just want to get picked and go to someone's special family. I want to live in a fruit bowl where everyone admires my red skin. Why? I just can't wait to sit on the top of all other fruits in a bowl. So what did the little apple say? That its only dream is that he wants to be picked up by a special family and wants to be at the top of the fruit bowl. Okay? वो fruit bowl के सबसे top पे बैठना चाहता है. That little apple. Big apple. An apple has much more value. Big apple का ये कहना है कि सिर्फ एक fruit basket में बैठने से भी ज़्यादा और भी चीज़ें हैं जो एक apple कर सकता है. It has more value. Little apple. Yes, I know what you mean. Maybe one of the children will take me to school for lunch and eat me as a snack. He will find out that I am healthy and tasty. Oh, I just cannot wait for these good things to happen to me. Big apple. Yes, but these good things will happen to you only during this season. Little apple. What do you mean? Big apple. Once you are eaten, your core will be thrown in the dustbin. Naturally, if we eat the apple, we throw the core to the dustbin, right? The seed part. So, the little apple says, yes, but what can I do about that? This happens with all apples. What other life can there be for me? Big apple. Now, if you will just slow down, I will tell you. Big apple tells to be patient and listen to me what I am telling. Little apple. Hurry, the wind is picking up again and I don't want to fall to the ground. Little apple. See, when the winds come, you may be shaken from the tree and fall to the ground. Then your shiny red skin will keep you from splitting apart. Once on the ground, a hungry bird or squirrel may find you and carry you away to eat you. Then your core will be left. Now the little apple said, that is what I just said too. That this is what the apple doesn't want. वो नहीं चाहता कि कोई squirrel या कोई mouse कोई उसे ले जाए. But he wants to be in a fruit bowl at the top of all the fruits. Now let's see. Big apple. Now your core will do the most important work, which you will have to be patient. What will I have to do? Let your core rot and mix with the soil. Your seeds will get buried in earth. They will remain in the soil for some time. Be patient. Slowly wonderful things will happen. Your seeds will sprout and you will grow into a new tree. So what did the big apple say? That you have to be patient. Once if your seeds go there, here and there, and you get water, what will happen? आपका छोटा सा fruit एक बहुत बड़ा apple tree बन सकता है. Then little apple. Wow! Then I'm going to be patient. Now the narrator. The winds pick up. Both the apples swing on the tree and fall to the ground. They patiently wait to do their work and then get a new life. Now it is not certain what life they will get, okay? But still, they'll be happy whatever they get. They may get picked up by someone and be at the top of a fruit bowl, or maybe they can grow into an apple tree. So whatever the life chooses. So I hope the story is clear to all. We had completed the reading part and let's keep it till here. We will meet in the next class. Till that, God bless you all. Goodbye.